You've got 3 seconds to run. I want shooting. I don't have range. Hey, you shot me. You shot me in the back. Somebody shot me in the back.
You're gonna get shot plenty then.
Shut up. I want to get shot as late as possible. Oh, he's got a barrel mag. Oh, he's greatness. I was gonna buy that before I came. Yeah! Cross out. Ian, you have to stick with me if you're coming with me. Yes. You don't have to follow me, but you can. But I'm about to run my ass off, so. Who's coming with me and just rushing? Who's just going straight?
Those goes. Yeah.
Pick off them as fast as possible.
We're going left with them.
Oh, I'm just going as fast as possible. I'm just going middle. Just full on.
Right. Time I put myself in a situation where I could get really badly hurt.
What?
Nah.
What? Yeah. Now what?
Dude, this is a death sentence.
2 years.
Exactly.
If you enjoy calling my name, I'd like you to be down here.
Sorry. Hey, who's all rushing straight? I'm going straight. I'll come with you.
I don't know if you saw
For the YouTube.
Yeah. I mean, if I was pro, I'd go sprinting with my pistol and getting a nice sniper spot, but I don't have the energy.
Don't worry, I did shoot. It's for the meme.
Is that a Springer?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Is that how you're using it? As one shot?
I mean, look at it.
Sniper?
No, it's a last resort. Like, really, I'm doing this because if I can get somebody with this, it's hilarious. It's like that guy that had a Nerf gun.
Or I have a,
He had a Nerf gun.
I have a Springer pistol. It's like this, but it's like a little handgun.
Yeah, because it's silent.
It's silent. It's a silenced gun. Don't worry.
I love doing Nerf versus Airsoft. That's fun to do.
Yeah.
Nerf versus Airsoft.
Nerf always wins. Every time. I've never had a Nerf versus Airsoft game where Airsoft won. Because we always sneak around and our guns are so silent nobody can hear us.
Yeah, that's true.
Because they're all firing really loud and are like tick, tick, tick. Like we run up behind guys.
Yo, I could put a speed loader up. Oh.
Yeah, because we'll run up behind guys and just go tick, 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 and take out the entire squad.
It actually holds the BBs.
Why are we standing here?
Oh, weird. That's supposed to be a magazine?
I know we're waiting, but why are we waiting?
So you're doing one shot?
Who OEMs it? Basically, this is only a last resort. I have this
So
where are you putting that?
How bad?
Where are you putting it? Where are you putting it?
through the...
I don't know. I'll just carry it.
It looks lightweight.
It is. Oh,
but on this thing, I only have one mag on it.
Lightweight.
And when this is done with this
Actually,
mag,
I'm impressed for a spring. It was a joke. For a joke, it's good.
it could be.
Moss.
It's not even mine either. It's a friend.
How's your Moss Nugget?
This is a Car 98.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's Car 98?
Car 98.
You offended
Oh,
me.
it is Car 98.
Everyone's saying the wrong gun.
You need to identify your Nazi guns right.
You're right, I'm sorry.
I'm offended as...
He's a Nazi now?
Yeah, of course.
You should use an M240.
Yeah.
In 1903.
I mean, this is my backup. I brought an M1 Garand, but it died.
Or an MG42.
I want that. MG42. I'm saving up.
It doesn't really hurt. I mean...
No, MG42s are painful.
It depends which brand. There's like 2 or 3 brands.
You know what? YouTube is having such a great video just watching us sit around and talk before we start.
Yeah.
Because I can't pause this. It's either start and stop. There is no
Can't you
pause.
edit it?
What?
Can't you edit later?
Yeah, I probably can. But it is taking up space as it records. I got like 2 hours of space on this thing. That's it.
Oh, but you can't really delete anything until you get home, right?
So I got 2 games. It's nice. We've only done 3 games so far.
Yeah, this is my second.
I really could just put a sniper and put
Are we just gonna stand here all day, or are we gonna fight?
I'd like to fight, but you know, standing here and doing a photo shoot's good.
Yeah, we get to be on Facebook.
What we came here for.
Facebook time.
40 times.
There they are. There's the D14 Airsoft truck.
Y'all gonna run out of ammo before the game? Yeah, I know.
Dude, I literally have 4,000 rounds on me, and just in mags. I have about 5,000 and stuff not. I will never run out of ammo.
Considering I have a freaking bolt action, yeah, I'm not gonna either. I have about 1,000 on me.
Yeah. Green gas.
Gas, because my pistol and gun are both
Green gas?
And because it only has 1 mag and it's a pain to reload, I can open the bolt, grab an individual BB, throw it in the barrel, and
That's almost easier. Especially if you're in a tight spot. Well,
yeah.
you know, tight spot for a sniper.
And I have 3 mags from the pistol. 1 in there now, 1 there and there. Luger, PLA, the Navy.
Yeah! See? Right, Shield, I'm with you! Contact left side! Whoa, that's a shit ton of tan.
Yeah, this is a pretty horrible spot to hold up.
This is a very bad spot.
It's a very bad spot.
Hey, Huey! There!
Oh, there's like 100 of them down, sitting there shooting at us.
Oh boy. Well, hey,
How
if
many
we can...
snipers do they have?
4.
20.
We have 4. I mean, they have 4, we have like 20.
Well...
But they have all the close quarter. Let's just get as many people in here as possible and let's push through all these buildings.
Yeah, that works.
The boys are gone.
The boys?
The boys are gone.
Are we about to push?
That would not be a very good idea.
Oh shit.
Did you all die? Are they dead? Your boys dead? No, they're just gone.
It's behind us.
They're literally right there. There's like a shit ton behind that fence. Contact right there, shooting at us right there. Back corner.
Huey! We can get to the car.
Where? No, where's the...
Right back there behind the fence. Back corner house, gray building.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I took a shot.
Shit, what the fuck happened here?
Yeah, we're just support for you if somebody gets closer.
Let's see my range.
White guy walked right in front of you.
You good?
Hey.
Knock it out.
Alright,
Ref!
I don't think I got that range. This thing is not as good as it looks.
Take a shot.
I know, right? Here, yeah, I need to range it.
Should we make a run for it?
Yeah, double feed, look at that.
That's great. Shotgun time.
That's better.
Yeah, honestly, I keep hitting my GoPro on this. I keep hitting my GoPro on this. I'm about to run. Who's coming with me? Who wants to help me clear these few buildings? I don't know how many. There might be some tan in here or not.
Hey, at least my pistol can do what's supposed to.
Yeah, that's what I got right now.
Ready?
Yep. Right here. Let's clear these buildings. Oh, never mind. There's like 10 guys in front of us on our team. Nice German pistol.
Thanks, man.
Luger?
Yeah.
Little Luger.
Yeah.
Handy dandy.
The water to push up, guys. Let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was thinking, hey, let's clear the buildings. There's like 15 of us.
Well, hey, mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Good job, team.
Hey, but we do have a shit ton of guys behind these back fences.
Let's go.
Good.
Clear? Coleman, are you clear? You clear? Good. Contact, backfield. Take shots.
Him over there.
I don't have don't have cover there.
I don't have any range. Like my range is probably about like your average rifle.
Ian, follow me. Let's jump. You want to jump in the creek bed?
We could.
Yeah. Come on, we're going creek bed.
Hurry.
Draw sidearms. Oh, there goes my GoPro. Hold on. Ah. You have cover, you do not have cover.
I'm covering you.
Oh, you're covering me. Why, thank you, good fellow. Is my GoPro straight?
No, it's gay.
It might be homosexual, but it is aiming cold.
It is now bisexual.
Shit's fluid, pan, whatever, cis, something.
Gender fluid, deoxyribonucleic acid. Wait a second.
There's some guys on the other side of this field, I think.
Yeah.
Are we taking shots or what?
I can't see shit.
I can't either.
Are they friendly?
I don't know.
I don't know anything.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, just chill here for a second, see if we get some guys. I just want to take a look and see who's.
This is not for your YouTube, Jack.
What? Oh. You said it's not very good YouTube?
No,
I don't care if it's not good. Okay, I'm about to make a push. I know these trails really well.
Alright, let's go.
Be quiet.
Make sure that there's no guys up here, because that's our main problem. I hear shots.
You good?
I lost my crossbow.
Oh, God, Ian. Shh, Ian, get quiet. Here. Ian. Fuck.
We got one.
There's like two guys right up on the ridge. They're both tan. You can kill them.
I can't see him.
No idea.
Okay, he's right there.
I got him.
Okay. There's a guy. There's two guys right up here.
Yeah, if we can get down to that tree. He's up. In frame.
Yeah, we just gotta keep our quiet. Hey, is the red dot?